This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Adriana Gonzalez. Bright and spacious corner unit 2-1 with large L-shaped balcony, overlooking the tranquil neighborhood, comfort and style with large pool, laundry facilities in every floor, elevator, assigned parking and plenty of visitors parking spaces available, as well as green areas for entertainment. Immerse yourself to a fascinating lifestyle full of amenities, 15 minutes to beautiful beaches, shopping outlets and nice restaurants, impeccable maintenance within the complex which recently had 40-year certification approved, very friendly and respectful owner residents. For more information, review the details below or contact Adriana Gonzalez at 888-668-8283.